Hey everyone! Today I'll be walking you through how to add a YouTube video on Squarespace. Navigate to the page where you want the video to appear and click the Edit button in the top left corner. The page will enter edit mode and you'll see editable sections with insert points. Hover over the section where you want your video. You'll see a plus button appear. Click it to open the block menu. From the block options that appear, click Video. A new video block will appear on your page with a pencil icon on it. Click that pencil icon to open the block editor. The block editor panel will appear showing your video input options. Open a new browser tab and go to the YouTube video you want to embed. Click on the address bar at the top of your browser and copy the full URL. Back in Squarespace, look for the plus icon inside the block editor and click it. From the options that appear, select Add from Link. A video URL field will show up. Paste your YouTube URL into that field. Once you paste it, Squarespace will automatically fetch the video and you'll see a thumbnail preview appear in the block. You can now configure optional settings, add a custom featured image by clicking the Upload option, or add a caption by clicking Add Description here in the description field. When you're done, click anywhere outside the block editor panel to close it. The editor will close and your video block is now visible on the page with the embedded video showing. Finally, click the Save button in the top left corner to save your page changes. The page will exit edit mode and your changes are now live. Here are a couple of quick tips. Check how the video looks on mobile using Squarespace's device preview to make sure it displays properly on smaller screens. You can also drag and drop the video block to reposition it anywhere on the page if you need to move it later. Thanks for watching.